When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking.
What's up, guys? James Fred, Daelyte Media Concepts. You know what it is. It's Find Us Friday. Listen, I did not get a chance to get a video out last week, man. I got busy and tied up on some projects and wasn't able to cut a video. So I wanted to make sure I got one to you guys this week. So what I'm going to do this week, though, is I'm going to go back and do a recap. I want to do this recap, and I want to keep these names fresh in your mind. A lot of times on YouTube, people do not go back and watch old videos, and I wanted to go back to the very first one I did and say those names again. I did my research. I looked it up. None of those young ladies have been found, so I want to go ahead and keep these names fresh on your mind so we can go ahead and get these kids found as quick as possible. All right. So let me go ahead and get my my eyes on here. Y'all know I'm oof. Man, it's a struggle with these eyes, man. But all right, here we go. So the first one is Ashanti Adams. She was missing since June 1st of 2019 from Gardena, California. The next name is Alyssa Adams, missing since October 4th, 2019 from Temple Hills, Maryland. Says she was last seen wearing a brown scarf, blue jean jacket, red shirt, and black pajama pants with white and yellow shapes on them. The next name is Zakia Abdul Khalik, missing from August 27, 2018 from Austin, Texas. It also says that she may travel to the Wisconsin area. Next name, Yasmin Akri. Guys, listen, you know I'll mess up these names. I'm putting them on the screen, so please don't laugh at me and don't look at me crazy. Yasmin Akri, missing since January 15th of 2008 from Chicago, Illinois. And there is a age progressed photo here. It says she was last seen at home on January 15th in 2008. So you know. Next name is Trinity Abraham, missing since October 10th, 2019 from New Rochelle, New York. It says that she may be in need of medical attention. So all my New York fam, y'all make sure y'all check this out, man. Next one is Tyjana Adams, missing since August 22nd, 2019 from North Las Vegas, Nevada. Next one is Savannah Adams, missing since November 8th, 2019 from New York, New York. My New York fam, y'all make sure y'all watching this, man. A lot of young ladies from New York. Next one is Kelly Allen, missing since March 13th of 2007 from Berkeley, Missouri. And here's the age progressed photo. It says that she was last seen leaving a friend's home in Berkeley, Missouri on March 13th, but she resides in St. Louis. She has a tattoo of brown eyes and a flower on her left shoulder and a tattoo of a half moon behind her left ear. The next one is another Kelly Allen, missing since June 30th, 2019 from Kennesaw, Georgia. And the last one is Fatima Abdul Haq, I believe that's how you say, missing since March 19th, 2019 from Wichita Falls, Texas. So once again, guys, I don't have to keep reiterating this stuff, man. You know what it is. We got to find these kids, man. We got to get them reunited with their loved ones. I want you to think about, what would you do if your child was missing? So I want you to try to put your mind around this for a minute. If your child has come up deceased, that's one thing. at the very least, you know the child is not suffering and the child is gone. These people do not know the state of their children. They don't know if they're being tortured, have they been sold into slavery, into some sort of sex trade. They don't know. So that worry alone can drive somebody crazy. So I want you to think about that as you look at these names, as you look at these pictures, and tell yourself, how would you feel if it was your child? We need to find these young ladies as quick as we possibly can and keep them and get them reunited with their parents, loved ones, or whoever, all right? So once again, guys, I need you to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload these videos. Like I say, I missed last week and I hate it. I'm trying not to miss another week. Try to make sure I stay consistent and get these things out. You guys check out the channel. I got some funny things on there, man. Some other things that may help you out, all right? So y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next one.